Mmm. Welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Jaden. Hey. I was in YouTube and I was like, browsing. I came across Jjpaguri or Ramdon. So this is the noodles from the movie Parasite. So I was like, eh. So of course, I don't have those noodles. So I went to Amazon, you guys, and I got the noodles. So I got three pieces of this and 3 pieces of this for $25. Mahal na ba yun? And who doesn't like ramen? Who doesn't like noodles? Especially Korean noodles. Hello? I'm home quarantined. I want to eat. I'm craving for noodles. I mean, come on. Let's do it. My understanding of ramdon is ramen and udon, which is a different kind of noodles. Right? Or baka gawa-gawa ko lang yun. Pero I think it makes sense. So since it's written in Korean, I don't know. I think this is Jjpaguri and this is niguri. Whatever. So we're going to boil this first. So we are going to separate this one, and we're gonna put the vegetables dun sa water. So I decided to use another meat, and I'm using this grass-fed ribeye steak. So I'm going to use this one kasi my husband likes this. Because I want him to try as well, and we'll see if he's gonna like it or not. Spread this. I cut this side. Yeah, this looks better. Habang nagbo-boil siya, we're going to, yan, yum. Perfect. While we're cooking our noodles, yan, we're gonna cook our steak dito sa kabila. After this, we're going to drain the water, like the soup. Kasi parang ano siya, parang pagkaluto niya, parang pansit canton ba? So we'll see. So let's go back here on the side and let's put our steak. Kasi so while we're cooking our steak, we're going to drain the soup. Let's cook our steak. Yan. Pepper. And salt. So our meat is done, yung steak, and then ito na siya. So we're gonna do is we're gonna mix them both. Ano kayang lasa nito? At ito. And i-mix natin. Ayan, may kulay na siya. I don't know how this tastes like, but this is my first time. Lagay natin yung steak. Lagay natin yung dami. Mix, 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 mix! Oh my god, look at you guys. And our Jjpaguri ramdon. Ayan, o diba? And this is our Jjpaguri ramdon, whatever you call this thing. This looks really good. Ayan. It's lemon time. Ayan. So, ito na nga. I know it's wrong to smell, but it smells really good. So, kainin na natin. Yes, let's do it. Maanghang. Maanghang siya konti. I am not a hot person. Charot. I am not spicy person. This is a little bit maanghang for me, but it's bearable. Sarap siya. Dami nito. So, this is a lot of noodles. I will let my husband try it. I hope he's not busy because he's working. He might not like it because it's a little bit spicy. Pero, ang sarap. Sabi ko, mag-share muna ako sa asawa ko. Patry ko to sa asawa ko. Di ba? O diba tinipid? Baka hindi niya magustuhan kasi maanghang. But we'll see if you like it or not, you know. It's called a ramdon Jjpaguri from the movie Parasite. You eat the steak, eat the noodles. And by the way, you guys, I'm using a peri-pera lipstick. Malaban siya. Yay or nay?
Just like ramen.
It's good, isn't it? Ramen, but with no soup. You like it? Do you think you can eat all of that?
Yeah.
Sabi niya, it tastes like ramen. It is a ramen. Ang sarap. This is really good, y'all. You gotta try this. Delicious! It's all mine kasi sabi niya, ayaw niya na. Sa akin na to. Sarap. I can't stop eating. Ang sarap niya. Jjpaguri, ramdon, whatever you call this thing, you guys, you gotta try this baby because this thing is delicious. It's good. Wow. It was really good. Anyways, you guys, I hope you like this video. And if you do like this video, please go ahead and make one. And I'm going to continue eating, and yeah, and wow, I'll see you guys in my other video. Stay home, stay safe. Love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's be friends, cause why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.